Hey friends, welcome to this brand new part. Part 67 and 68 are in the members area. If you have Cloud Kernel or Cloud Ninja membership, you can view it. This is the YouTube handle of this channel. You can look for 600 plus videos, 3000 plus questions on cloud products, AWS, Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, and so on. If you have not yet subscribed, do so. It will help you stay in tune with the latest certification contents. Let us look at the questions now. See, when you use a virtual machine is not physical. Like at your home, what you do, you bring a laptop, you bring a desktop, which is a physical device. But the same thing, if you want on cloud, you can create virtual machine. It is virtual in nature. You don't own the hardware. It is on some hardware, and hypervisors are there to manage those hardware's allocation and so on. But is this platform as a service? In the certification exam, you will get such questions, and this question in some form you will definitely get. Okay, always remember, virtual machines, they are infrastructure as a service. They are not platform as a service. You know, Azure App Service, this is platform as a service because you can build web application, mobile applications, and deploy it. It will give you the infrastructure also for that. So this is platform as a service. So the answer here is no. Now let us look at the same question, but here different option. They are telling this is infrastructure as a service. Yes. See, there are certain key characteristics of infrastructure as a service: virtualized resources, on-demand self-service, resource pooling, elasticity, and scalability. You may pause this video and read it for your knowledge. What are the examples of IaaS? In AWS, it is EC2 instance. In Azure, these are virtual machines, like we are seeing in this question. In Google, these are called compute engine. In IBM, it is called IBM Cloud Infrastructure. Oracle, it is called Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. And hence, the answer here is right, because infrastructure as a service is correct for virtual machine. Now, let us jump to the next question. See, this is Azure Web Tier Plan, and that is what the question is asking. So, you have Azure Web Tier Plan, that is what you want to choose, and this is the requirement. You should meet these requirements. First requirement, very important requirement, cost should be minimized, because just like your parents, they always advise you about saving cost. Cloud is also similar to that. You should save cost. You should save cost. You should save cost on cloud. Simple. So let us go by requirements. So it says the web app each require 10 GB of storage. So if I check this 10 GB, where I have the first one, basic dedicated. First two are 1 GB, 1 GB. This 10 GB basic dedicated. Okay, and so can this be an answer? We also need web apps must have dedicated compute instance. If you see basic, they have dedicated environment. Okay, here also if you scroll down, this is compute type is dedicated. So this looks okay. It should use custom domains. So custom domain is also supported. You see this line, custom domain, basic dedicated environment, custom domains are also supported. Fantastic. Then the last requirement is load balancing between instances must be included. So load balancing means there should be something with respect to auto scale. Okay, so if you see auto scaling here, we see here, and it is not supported in basic. So if auto scaling is not there, the load balancing, how it will happen? We need a load balancer, but you need to scale up, right? You have more load, you have less load. If you have more load, you want to scale up and add more instances. Okay, so that is not supported. That is the earliest that is supported is in standard. So standard can support 10 GB, yes, greater than 10 GB, 50 GB it can support. It is also dedicated. Custom domain, what about custom domain? Yes, it is supported. So this should be our answer. So this is our final answer. You saw how we arrived at this answer. So parts 67 and 68 are in the members area. Please visit it. If you are not a member yet, please click the link in the description and become a member, Cloud Kernel or Cloud Ninja member. Subscribe This will help you stay tuned to the certification content. This brings us to the end of part 69. You can search for this YouTube handle on YouTube for this channel. There are 600 plus videos, 3000 plus certification questions. See you in the next